Welcome to $20 Tax. Today we are going to talk about a topic which is very common and we get asked this a lot. The topic is whether we should incorporate a business or we should run as a sole proprietor. Sole proprietors are people who run their businesses without having their business registered with any government authority or government department. Incorporation is when you actually incorporate a business, you write the articles, the do's and don'ts of the business, and you run the business that way. There are so many different advantages, there are so many different ways we can look at that a small video cannot justify it. If you want a detailed discussion, you can contact us and we can discuss these in details. But let's just talk about the main reasons why people like to incorporate versus why people do not like to incorporate. Why people like to incorporate, one of the main reason is a tax advantage. Corporations do get taxed differently than individuals. When you are running an incorporated business, your business is treated as a corporation and it gets taxed differently. Again, it's a very vast topic. You should talk to a tax accountant when you're registering your business or when you want them to assess your situation. The second reason is a legal status. Corporations are a separate legal entity. What that means is that anything that happens to a corporation, it only happens to the corporation. The owners of the corporation do not get affected. So if a lender is coming after a corporation for an obligation that has not been paid, it's only the corporation that gets impacted. The owners of the business, or the shareholder in this case, will not be impacted. The third reason is a banking history. When you incorporate a business, when you start a business and incorporate, you would want to open up a bank account. When you open up a bank account, you're doing bank transactions, you're creating a bank history. In a few years' time, if your business is successful, you'll have a good banking history where you can get a loan or you can get a line of credit from the bank to run your business or to expand your business. So it's advisable to, at a very early stage, incorporate the business and do as many bank transactions as you can or as you should. Investments from outsiders. When you're running your business as an individual, they get to tell you, they get a say in the operations of the business. So people are more comfortable investing in a corporation. This is not a complete list. The list can go on and on, but again, we have to make sure that we complete in a small video. The one disadvantage that the reason people do not want to incorporate is that corporations, when you incorporate, corporations are not like individuals. If you incorporate a business, the corporation must file their tax returns, regardless of if they have made any income or not, regardless of if they have had any revenue or not. Every corporation must file a tax return. And filing a corporation tax return is expensive than filing an individual tax return. So this one advantage discourages people to incorporate their business. I don't think this would be a big disadvantage. I do not think, given the advantages that we have, for example, having a banking history, having a separate legal status, having more attraction for the investors, that this cost associated with an incorporation should discourage you. My personal opinion is that you should incorporate a business. At $20 Tax, we do help our clients incorporate their business. We do help our clients write their articles. We do help our clients run their business properly. We do advise our clients they should take maximum advantage of the tax rules and tax laws. So if you want to incorporate your business, you should contact us at $20tax.ca, or you can message us through social media platforms and we can work from there. Thank you.